Hey guys, it's me Popunder, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can create your own business email right now in Namecheap. I'm going to show you each and everything in a step-by-step process so that you can be able to make your own business email right now. Okay, so watch this video till the end so that you don't miss any crucial information that I'm going to provide you in this video. So if you are new to my channel, then please do subscribe and do like this video. Now, without doing any delay, let's get started. So firstly, what you can do is I have given a link in the description of this YouTube video. You just click on that link, and what that link does is that link will send you to a special page where you can get lots of discounts on any of the Namecheap product. Okay, either it is domain, email, or hosting, or anything. Okay, you can use this page to purchase anything in a discount deal in Namecheap. Okay, so once you do that, then you can simply sign up to Namecheap and log into Namecheap account. And then what you can do is you can simply hover your mouse over this email. Okay, and then click on this business email. Now you'll see this kind of interface. Now you can see it is bill yearly selected, so that's why it is showing this price. Okay, you can directly purchase this email, or what you can do is you can click on this free trial and you will be able to get the 2-month free trial of one business email. Okay, so it is always better to sign up and get a free business email account, and later you can pay for that business email if you want, or you can leave it as it is and don't pay for that email account. So firstly, what you can do is you can just select this free trial and click on this get email. Now you will see this kind of interface, and if you don't have a domain on Namecheap, then what you can do is you can simply click on purchase a new domain, or you can also use this site that I have previously talked about and get domain for a bit cheap price. Okay, and once you purchase your domain and you have your domain inside Namecheap, it is extremely easy to buy Namecheap. I don't need to show you that. Okay, and once you have that domain, then you just click on use a domain I own with Namecheap. Okay, just click on it. Now you'll see this kind of interface. Now you need to select the domain. Okay, select the domain that you have purchased and just click on this select, and then click on this continue. So now you will see this kind of interface. So this is added to your cart. So it will cost you $0, and just click on add to cart again. And then scroll below and just click on this confirm order. Okay, it will cost you $0. Just click on this confirm order. So now just scroll below and click on this I have read and agreed to all Namecheap terms and condition. Just click on pay now. Okay, so now we have purchased our domain for absolutely free. So you can see starter email for tradesworkingplan.shop. Now what you need to do is you can simply click on this create mailboxes. So now you'll see this kind of alert or some time of instruction, but you don't need to worry about these. Okay, I'll show you even an easy way to solve this problem. But for now, let's go below and click on this create mailbox. Okay, just click on this create mailbox, and then you can give your business email a name. So this is @tradesworkingplans.shop. Now you can type admin, or if you want to type support, you can type anything. Okay, and your email will be support@tradesworkingplans.com. but for now, let's just put admin @tradesworkingplans.shop. Okay, now you need to create a password for this email. Okay, so let's just create a simple password that you can remember. And again confirm the password, and 5 GB is fine. Once you do this much, then just click on save changes. Now you can just click on this update password and save it. So once you finish doing this much, then what you need to do is whenever you want to log into your business email, just go to this private email. Okay, just click on this private email, and then you will reach to this type of interface. Okay, private email subscription, and you can just click on this manage, and then just scroll below and click on this drop down and click on this open webmail. Now you need to log in at here. Okay, so our Gmail, sorry, our business email was admin@tradeswoodworking.shop. So let's copy it and let's paste it at here, and let's type the password, and then click on keep me sign in and log in. So now once you see this much, then just click on this close, and this is going to be okay. You can just click on this start tour and check out your business email. Okay, you can or click on this finish, and just this is the inbox. You will see all the message that you will be receiving at here. But don't skip this video. Okay, there is another one step that you need to do, otherwise it is not going to work. Okay, and the email that you will send from this email will be at here, and here will be the draft, here will be spam, and here will be the trash. It is as easy as this to use this private business email. Okay, so once you complete all of this information, then what you need to do is just click on this domain list. Okay, and you'll see all the domain that you have inside Namecheap. So just let's go, and this was the domain that we used to create our private email. Now what you need to do is just click on this manage. Okay, so now why we are doing this is that previously I have told you about that yellow problem. In yellow box there was a text to do something, those instruction. Okay, we are solving that problem. So make sure that this custom DNS is selected as Namecheap basic DNS. Okay, this needs to be at here. If it is not, then just select Namecheap basic DNS. Okay, and tick mark this. And once you do this much, then what you need to do is just go to this advanced DNS, and then scroll below, let it load first. Scroll below. So in mail setting, you can see email forwarding. Okay, just select this drop down and click on this private email. Okay, so now private email automatically configured for tradeswoodworkingplans.shop. So now what happens, whatever email we are going to send. Okay, so if there is here is the save changes, just don't forget to click on it. Okay, just click on this save changes, and your setting will be saved. So once this is done, then what happens, whenever you receive an email, it will appear in your inbox. Okay, and whenever you send email, then by using this email from here, okay, then it will appear at here. Otherwise, if you don't do this setting, then it will not happen anything at here. And if you like this video, then please smash that like button, and if you are new to my channel, then please to subscribe. And if you love to watch some money making videos of you, or if you are interested in affiliate marketing, online business, then you can check out some of the other videos that are in the description of this YouTube video. So this much altogether I wanted to show you in this video. I hope this video was helpful, and I wish you a better luck for your future. Take care, have a great day. Bye bye.